applying onion juice to your scalp is a great way to boost an antioxidant called enzymes, which is why you see a rapid increase in your hair growth. Hit that subscribe button. Hi you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to try actual onion juice in my hair outside, just because onion can clog up your pipes and drain. So you just need to get an onion. I prefer a yellow onion, you know. They said the yellow onion has a little bit more minerals and vitamins in it than the red. So I'm just gonna, you just gotta cut it off. I'm gonna cut these sides off and peel it. Peel maybe just 2 layers off. Hopefully it's not gonna make me cry. Get that piece off right there. Ooh, I feel it already. It's getting to my eyes. That's why I had to open a window. Get some fresh air, you know what I'm talking about? This is trash. We're not gonna do nothing with that, you guys. I'm crying, you guys. Woo! Look at that beautiful onion. Yes. All right. We took the 2 layers off. Don't need that. That's trash. I'm gonna slice it up. First, I'm gonna cut it in half. Next time, I prefer you guys to wear goggles because I am crying like there's no tomorrow. All right. Now, they don't have to be really fine chunks, only if you don't have a blender or a juicer. I have both, but I decided to put in the blender. And this is good to go. Alright, got our fresh onion. I'm going to do a whole onion. Put it right there in this blender. Come on, sit in there. There we go. For it to blend properly, I'm going to put a little bit of Fiji water in there. There we go. Maybe just to that point right there. All right, so let's get it on and right. So you'll need a stocking, any stocking. This is actually from some stockings. I just cut it off and I'm going to pour it inside of the stocking. Some kind of jar and just place it on the stocking, and then we're just gonna make a mess. You're gonna pour it in there nice and slowly. See, it's really chunky. Get it all in there. Guess that should be. Get it in there. All right. A little shake, shake, shake. All right. So you definitely want to put in a bowl. As you see, this jar is a hot mess. All right. Got some juice in there. Some of the onion. So let's get the rest out. I'm gonna ring this around my finger. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Yeah. So here's the onion juice, my plastic bags, and I'm about to pour this mess in my hair. I have a little squeezy tube, a little So I poured the onion in here. Now I'm gonna just squirt it in my hair. This is a solo music production. This is a solo music. So you guys, now I'm ready to take this onion stinky juice out of my hair. It's been a little bit longer than 35 minutes. This onion juice is just so funky and stinky. So I did wrap a towel around it to maintain the heat. And then I just have some plastic bags that are already in the process of falling off. It feels soft to the touch with it in, you know. So I'm really happy about that. I'm going to use a mild shampoo, you guys. My oregano oil from Morocco shampoo. You know, the conditioner, because it's sulfate free. So let's give it a shot. Do a nice little rinse first. And then put the shampoo in there. And make for sure you guys massage your scalp at least for a minute or two. And do not try any onions at all if you're allergic to them whatsoever. You don't want an irritation rash in your scalp. That's the only downfall other than the smell of using this. Put the conditioner in there just for a couple minutes, and I like to comb it just a little bit, very lightly. Well, it still has the conditioner in it. I don't smell the onion, you guys. Very, very minimum shed. Yes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell to be notified for more videos.